Hey, have you ever used an application load balancer on AWS?
Yes, I have. It's a great tool to distribute traffic among multiple targets.
Definitely. Did you know that it offers intelligent routing capabilities?
Yes, it allows you to route incoming traffic to different target groups based on various request parameters.
Wow, that's impressive. How do we create and configure an application load balancer on AWS?
First, we need to create target groups that define the targets for the load balancer. Then, we can create the application load balancer and configure it to distribute traffic among the target groups.
Interesting. How do we create target groups?
We can create target groups by accessing the AWS Management Console, navigating to the Target Groups section, and following the steps outlined in the console.
Got it. How about creating an application load balancer?
We can create an application load balancer by accessing the Load Balancers section in the AWS Management Console and following the steps outlined in the console.
Thanks for the help. This was very informative.
You're welcome. Application load balancers are a versatile tool that can help distribute traffic among multiple targets, and it's essential to know how to create and configure them.